Alright, hey guys, really quick. We're about to do another chainsaw wake up. This is Louie. We're waking up his roommate Casey. Now, can you see we are in an apartment complex? Yeah.
Straight hood.
I'm a little scared because an apartment complex means we're waking up a lot of people, not just his roommate. And so hopefully the cops don't get called. Hopefully we don't get beaten up or something. I don't know. But I'm ready for it. Let's do this. We got Cletus. Cletus here. He's ready to terrify some people. Oh, we can wake up.
We're waking up Casey. Casey. Yeah. He got him really drunk last night, so he's passed out. And he gets really scared when you wake him up.
So imagine being hungover, waking up with a chainsaw. So awesome. Let's do this. What you do? Chainsaw. We have a chainsaw. It's so wrong. I think he still has no idea what is going on. I'm pretty sure. What's up, Rise and Shine? Happy Halloween! Let's see. I'm pulling down the sheets. Oh, we're not naked. We are in boxers. But we are What was that? He was mumbling.
Hey, you're on Johnjay and Rich.
Yeah, good morning. This is Johnjay and Rich.
Yeah, good morning. You got me good.
You got him good.
Sounds a bit drunk.
Hey, Casey, I heard you got a little drunk last night. Are you still feeling a little drunk?
A little bit.
Is this the best, hangover remedy ever?
It is.
I'm in bed with him, so you know what's up. Thank you.
Oh my god.
I don't think my boyfriend would appreciate that.
I didn't know what was happening.
I stepped on his throw up.
With the chainsaw. Mattress mambo!
That's what happens when you stay out late.
He puked. I stepped on his puke.
Is that what I stepped in? I stepped in something.
Oh my god, we just realized he might have puked last night. And there's puke everywhere. Alright, bye. Alright, he's over here. Oh my god, I was lying in bed with him, did not realize that he puked last night. Puke everywhere. So gross. Awesome job.